then we continue again. Just behind for me that no one's coming to. Oh. He's not letting the guy on. Sorry, mate. Like the bus of Ghana basically, and we are experiencing it for the first time. We're sitting at the back, as you can see it's a little bit bumpy, you know, and we're on our way to the mall, so enjoy with us, okay? So we're going to try and show you some of the views. We're going to Achimota Mall, so hopefully we'll show you some of the views along the way. Excuse us in advance because of the jumps and everything, but it'll be okay. So yeah, this is basically the inside of the Trotro, and as you can see it's got a few passengers. So this is a typical, you know, Accra road. It's not in a very developed area, still developing. The whole country is developing, the country to be up there. But as you can see, some drivers still drive on the wrong side, so the horn is used quite frequently to alert oncoming drivers to do the right thing in Ghana. Money, and when the Trotro needs to stop, he'll basically tell the driver. As you can see, he's collecting everybody's money. The mate gets out first, just for anyone trying to get off, jump off, and then we continue again. Just behind for me that no one's coming to. Oh. He's not letting the guy on. Sorry, mate. So this is Ghana roadside. As you can see, many shops and stores that are selling things. So can you see the Trotro in front of us? The mate is literally hanging out the Trotro. That's how they call for all customers. So they literally like shout where they're going. So if they're going to, for instance, Achimota, you hear them It's a little bit reckless, guys. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, some come on and some go on. And we go. So as you can see, it's getting quite full inside. So Akua is basically coming off now. So this area is called Bangkok area, and it's definitely in Accra. You can see more people coming on. What is To be very honest with you, this is quite an efficient way of moving around. Aside if you know, safety concerns, it's quite efficient, you know. Right, so guys, this is a really good way of getting around, if I'm honest with you, because we usually get the taxi, but the thing with the taxi is it's you and a driver, so if you don't know where you're going, you know, you just don't know what's going to happen. However, with this, there are others on it. Sorry, my hair's just been blown everywhere, but there are others on the Trotro as well, and you know, the mate location is say where you are. So you get to learn their roads and the area a bit more, a lot more than you would on a taxi. Sorry. So yeah, we are on our way to Achimota Mall. I hope you're enjoying Ghana with us, because we really are. And this is Atta Mills' house, the ex-president of Ghana who's passed away. Yeah, that's what we just went past, that white house with all that greenery. So as you can see, we're starting to fall into a bit of traffic. Can you hear the music? This is the music I told you guys about in that Ghana Day video. If you've not seen that video yet, go check it out on my channel. But can you hear it now? We're getting to the city, and now like you can hear music like in most shops. Everyone's playing their own tune. This is Ghana, guys. This isn't the posh Ghana, this is the local Ghana. Are we getting up here? As you can see, more Trotros and stuff. So this is us getting to, this area is called Barrier. You see someone selling fish. See many as you can see, so much different street foods being sold on the streets. Fried yam, there's donuts that people carry some on their heads, clothes. we're getting off here to get another Trotro. So we've just switched Trotros. We're in a different one now. Going on. The bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, you've got there. Ooh, the way those doors come out. So that's the boots behind us. So if someone wants to take something out the boot, get it out for them. So we are now in Achimota. As you can see, we're just going back round on ourselves because the mall is on the other side of the road, and this road is basically leads to an area called Mile 7, and you see a lot of motorbikes nowadays actually in Ghana because it's a fast developing business. They're typically found in Nigeria actually, where the Okada system works really well, so I guess motorbikes are quickly being used as transport systems in Ghana as well. Who knows, we might explore that in a video very soon. But we are nearly at Achimota Mall. now. Hey, that's it. So that was our Trotro. Just there. There we go. And here we are, guys. We are at Achimota Retail Center. So this is the mall, and this is how it looks at the entrance. So we are going to go in and do some shopping, okay? So thanks for coming on the ride with us today on our first Trotro experience, and we'll see you very soon, guys. So we are at Achimota Mall, okay? Kiss from the Dimple, kiss from the Dimple, Accra Dimples. I am signing out.